Assalamu alaikum. I am Amna Tariq. Today I am going to teach you a topic of biochemistry, that is vitamins and vitamin A in detail. Definition of vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds which are essential for normal growth and nutrition. Vitamins are basically required for our normal growth, normal functioning and nutrition. These cannot be synthesized by the body, so must be required in the diet. Vitamins are classified into two types: water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. What are water-soluble vitamins? Water-soluble vitamins are those vitamins that are soluble in water, and fat-soluble vitamins are those vitamins that are soluble in fats and oils. Water-soluble vitamins include non-B complex and B complex. Non-B complex include ascorbic acid, that is also known as vitamin C, and B complex include energy releasing, hematopoietic and other. Energy releasing include thiamine, that is also known as vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B3, biotin, vitamin B7, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5. And hematopoietic include folic acid, that is vitamin B9, vitamin B12, that is also known as cobalamin. Others include pyridoxine, that is known as vitamin B6, pyridoxal and pyridoxalamine. आज का टॉपिक हमारा विटामिन ए है, इसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं डिटेल में. Vitamin A is quite heat stable, but it's destroyed at high temperature in the presence of oxygen or air. Occurrence, it is from animal source or maybe plant source. Animal source से ऐसे कि from animal source it is present the liver oils of certain species of fish, egg yolk, butter, cheese and whole milk. In animal source it is preformed vitamin A in the form of retinyl esters. It is converted into retinol by an enzyme pancreatic esterase. But in plant source, the carotene is basically a pigment, yellow pigment that is present in carrots, yellow corn, sweet potatoes, Spanish and other peaches. Its type beta carotene is basically a provitamin A that is converted into two molecules of retinol by an enzyme beta carotene deoxygenase. Through oxidation, this beta carotene is converted into retinol, which further on reduction give rise to retinol. Okay, let's talk about the structure of vitamin A. In the structure of vitamin A, we will discuss retinol, retinol, retinoic acid and beta carotene. Retinol, a primary alcohol found in animal tissue as retinyl ester with long chain fatty acids. Retinol is basically aldehyde form. Retinol is oxidized to form retinol, and retinol is on reduction give rise to retinol. So both these are interconvertible. Retinoic acid is basically an acid that is formed by the oxidation of retinol. Retinoic acid cannot be reduced in the body, so they can't give rise to either retinol or retinol on reduction. Beta carotene. As I described earlier, that beta carotene on reduction with on oxidation with beta carotene deoxygenase enzyme, it gives rise to retinol, which on further reduction give rise to retinol. In human, vitamin A activity of beta carotene is only about 1/12 that of retinol. Absorption and transport of vitamin A. In animal tissue, from the animal source, preformed vitamin A from the food is in the form of retinyl esters. It is converted into retinol by an enzyme pancreatic esterase, and from the plant source, the carotene that is provitamin A, it is converted into retinol by beta carotene deoxygenase enzyme. That retinol is further on reduction give rise to retinol by retinol reductase enzyme. These retinol is entered into the intestine, the cell's enterocytes, and again converted into retinyl esters. These retinyl esters packaged in chylomicrons released in the blood and transported to the liver. Okay, chylomicrons are basically the lipoproteins. When they were transported to livers, whenever they is released from the liver, this retinyl ester is again converted into retinol, and this retinol will bind to retinol binding proteins, or it may store in the liver as retinyl esters. When retinol is binding to retinol binding protein, it form a complex, and this complex will bind to receptors on the peripheral cell through which they will enter. Whenever they bind to that receptors, retinol will release from there and will again oxidize to retinoic acid, and this retinoic acid bind to the nuclear receptors. ठीक है, and they will form cellular events. They will stimulate cellular events there, for example, gene expression. Whenever the retinol is released, this retinol also uptake in the rods and cone cells of retina, which help in vision. Functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A helps in vision by synthesizing light sensitive pigments, rods and cones. It helps in growth and differentiation. For the maintenance of growth and normal differentiation, vitamin A is required. It provides immunity, prevent from infections, provide host resistance to infection. It has a role in maintenance and differentiation of epithelial cell, immune cells and mucus secreting cells. It also has a role in a reproduction. Retinol and retinol has specifically play a role in reproduction, supporting spermatogenesis in male and preventing fetal resorption in female. Retinoic acid is inactive in maintaining reproduction and in visual cycle, but retinoic acid promotes growth and differentiation of the epithelial cell. Let's discuss the visual cycle. Rhodopsin is basically a light sensitive pigment. Okay, rods. 11-cis retinal is a component of visual pigment rhodopsin. Okay. 11-cis retinal is basically a visual component which will bind to the opsin to form rhodopsin. Light sensitive pigment rhodopsin, and rhodopsin when exposed to light will isomerize to form all trans retinal. Whenever rhodopsin is stimulated with light, there is a release of nerve impulse, optic nerve generated, and this will cause isomerization and cause convert release of all trans retinal and opsin. That all trans retinal is reduced to all trans retinol, which become esterified and isomerized to 11-cis retinol. That 11-cis retinol oxidized to form 11-cis retinal, and that 11-cis retinal again bind with the opsin to form rhodopsin, and this cycle continue. Same cycle happens in the opsin. Vitamin A deficiency. Visual deficiencies include night blindness. Night blindness is basically the earliest sign. Vitamin A deficiency, difficult to see in dim light. Prolonged deficiency lead to irreversible loss in number of visual cells. Whenever there is a severe deficiency of vitamin A, it will lead to xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is a pathological dryness of conjunctiva and cornea, which is due to increased keratin synthesis. When this condition is untreated, it will lead to corneal ulceration and cause blindness because of formation of opaque scar tissue. Beater spots are also seen, which are keratin debris in small opaque planes over cornea. Keratomalacia is seen when there is a severe vitamin A deficiency, in which there is softening and destruction of the cornea. Cornea become dull and insensitive. Changes in the respiratory tract. In the respiratory tract, due to deficiency of vitamin A, the cilia are lost and respiratory infections take place. And changes in the genitourinary system. Kidney stones may result probably by the accumulation of stone-forming compounds normally present in the urine around a shed keratinized epithelial cell. In the female, infertility result due to interference with ovulation. Vitamin A toxicity lead to hypervitaminosis. It may be acute toxicity or chronic toxicity. Acute toxicity may include headache, vomiting, blurring of vision. These symptoms may also seen in brain tumors, so it's also known as pseudo tumor cerebri. Chronic toxicity will seen in anorexia, vomiting, nausea, bone and joint pains and weight loss. बोन एंड जॉइंट पेन इस वजह से हो रही है कि विटामिन ए एक्टिविटी क्या हो जाएगी, जब इन्हांस हो जाएगी हाइपरविटामिनोसिस की वजह से, टॉक्सिसिटी की वजह से, तो ऑस्टियोक्लास्टिक एक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, विच रिजल्ट इन इंक्रीज बोन रिजॉर्प्शन एंड विच विल लीड टू फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द बोन्स. So that's why it will cause bone and joint pains. RDA. What is RDA? RDA basically a recommended dietary allowance. This means that the intake that is sufficient to meet the nutritional requirement of nearby all individuals and differ according to the age and sex. In adult males, it is equal to 900 retinol activity equivalents, and in adult female, it is equal to 700 RAE. 1 RAE is equal to 1 milligram of retinol or 12 milligram of beta carotene or other carotenes. Thank you.